Telemedicine is a relatively new form of healthcare, but here on the Central Coast, one nonprofit organization is seeing how important it is, especially during times like these. KSPY News reporter Alex Gonzalez is live to explain more. Alex?
Well, good evening, Richard. Telemedicine is one of the many services offered by WILSHERE Health and Community Services, and they recently implemented an app to make screening for the coronavirus safer and more efficient for both patients and physicians. The screening process for those who think they may have COVID-19 just got easier and safer, all taking place from the comfort of your home.
If it deems that they are sick enough, it will send a message to a person who will then contact them to say, tell me what's going on. What are your symptoms? Do we need to do more?
WILSHERE Health and Community Services has utilized Connected Home Living's telemedicine services for years, but recently they implemented a new app that will walk a patient through a set of questions to determine if they are at a low to high risk of contracting the coronavirus.
Depending on which basket you're sitting in, will then prompt the system to move you through to the next level of potentially being contacted to say, you know, you've got something going on, stay there, don't freak out, but let's get some more information, and then we'll contact you with a real person to talk to.
Dr. PARZYCH says the app was created in an effort to help emergency rooms and physicians from being inundated with patients, as well as to limit exposure. Those at WILSHERE say they are the only home care providers on the Central Coast currently offering the triage service. They are working to get the service out to other providers, physicians, and hospitals in the community.
Right now, it's not about us being the only one. It's about us working together to make sure that our community is better and that we can take care of our patients and people in our community.
Smith says that these smart online screening tools are another way to mitigate fear associated with the pandemic and help others feel not so alone.
We're being innovative. We're trying to be working smarter, not harder, and really trying to diminish some of the chaos and fear and just remember the basics of good care and trying to take care of our patients and our staff.
Those at WILSHERE say they would like the public to take a minute to consider how they can help those who are at a higher risk of contraction within our community, who are those who are over the age of 65. Live in San Luis Obispo, I'm Alex Gonzalez, KSPY News.
All right, Alex, thank you. While WILSHERE hopes to make the service free, the app is not completely automated and it does require some staffing, so WILSHERE is still determining if a fee will be associated with the app to make it fully functional.